Guys, another mind.
Keep Clash Squad.
Please, I need.
Yeah, Vedanta. That is okay. Where did you get hipster money from?
What? Diamond Royale.
He's lucky. He's a lucky person.
Hello. Keep Clash Squad rank.
I can't play. I'm level 1 or 2.
Hello.
You
Clash
can't
Squad
play.
rank.
So Vedant can only play class squad. He's noob. Level 1 he.
I started just now.
Start the match.
I can't even play normal class squad. I'm level 0. Almost. We can only play classic. We can only play classic.
I can play normal class squad.
Clash Squad.
I don't have enough level. I don't have level. I'm not enough experience. Guys, I'm not experienced. Guys, hope you guys will enjoy this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And guys, did you know if you hit the like button, it will turn blue, like my scar skin tempo, very skina. And this, look at Adrit. He's wearing some weird sneakers right now. I'm looking. Oh, look at my shoes. No, sorry, I'm wearing red sneakers. I meant that he was wearing sweatpants. Look at his sweatpants. They're so weird. His sweatpants are so weird.
I'm in a damn good Patiala.
It's called sweatpants. I'm wearing good red sneakers, which I had to download for 6 MB, which is nothing. I got it in Diamond Royale.
How do you play? I have only Gold Royale.
Yeah, Diamond Royale is very rare. I got it as a gift. I don't know who gifted me. Like it's like a
Say,
no.
I won it in a reward.
Don't go to the refinery, please.
This is Bermuda.
Where is Saimadha?
Alaria.
Where is Saimadha?
Yeah, let's go to refinery.
Saimadha, where? No.
Yeah, refinery will. Are Saimadha, where did you go?
Where?
I'm right here.
Where? Where in the world? You're not. Oh, now you are visible. You're so confused. No refinery at any cost.
Let's go to refinery.
You'll die.
No, for
Guys, I'm.
Refinery, you won't die, Ray. Who is that person who went to? Oh, Saimadha, you went to that foundation.
Guys, please don't judge me. This is my new account. Oh, I found.
Saimadha, where did you go?
foundation.
Just found 2 AKs.
Why that much far?
What if
I
I do?
don't want to land over there. It's very risky over there.
Why? I'll come to pick you up. I'm a Uber driver. I have 2 AKs. Does anyone want an AK? I'll trade. Sai Madhav, I'm coming to pick you
I
up.
got 2 guns.
I'm going to pick Sai Madhav.
Same.
You guys stay right there. Don't move.
I want to follow you.
Sorry. I have a car. Sai
I'm
Madhav.
coming to you.
I'm going to Sai Madhav. Bye bye.
Saimadha, wait, Vedant, I'll also come.
You take some other car and come to Sai Madhav. Come with Sai Madhav's cousin.
Refinery, they'll have so many cars. This thing doesn't have any car.
Shit, I'm being shot. Ow. Tata, I'm being shot. Shoo. There are so many people right here. Adrit, follow me. There are so many people. Just got shot.
Where are you?
I just follow the road I went. Sai Madhav, where?
Where did you go? Saimadha, we went off.
I'm searching for Sai Madhav.
Basement also there are 1,000 people. I am getting scared to stay here.
Sai Madhav, where are you? Sai Madhav, where are you?
I'm right here.
Yep. I'm near you. I have 2 AKs. Listen, I have 2 AKs.
I killed 2 people.
Shit, I'm being shot.
And you're being shot very badly.
Wow.
DSD,
Can you please give me? I have 2
Saket.
AKs. It's just so dumb.
hello Saket.
And
Actually,
आप इंस्टा
Saket
करना
speaking.
There are two. There are so
నేను
many
కిందకి
people.
వెళ్ళిపోయాను.
There are so many people.
అదే
down
కింద
there.
బిల్డింగ్ ఆ కింద ఇంత ఉందో చూడు గ్రీన్ హౌస్.
Ow! 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 Someone is shooting me. Someone is shooting. Someone is shooting me. Oh, I was going to die. Actually, going to die. Saimadhav, I need medkits. I need medkits. I'm close.
ఓకే ఓకే ఐఎమ్ లీవింగ్ దెమ్.
I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead.
Why is this guy acting like a hacker? I gave him almost 200 shots by now.
You don't. I guess you don't even have that much ammo.
I have so much ammo.
I'm putting a shotgun. Actually,
Kill
Oh
him,
my-
kill him, revive me, kill him and revive me.
I had no health. You know. I had no
No
health.
problem, my AT's got 4 kills.
I didn't get one.
Yeah, Saket, kill him and revive me, kill him and revive me. Yeah.
Saket, you also went off to foundation when, Ray?
ఎవరు బట్టలింగ్ ఇష్టం మాట్లాడుతుంది.
Just Adrit. Am I
I
the
am
only
the
person
same
who's
one.
dead? I'm
Same
Arey,
here.
shit, I don't have ammo. I have 48 plus 28. 41 plus 28 bullets, that's it.
actually Saimadhav.
నేను స్క్వాడ్ మొత్తం చంపేసా స్క్వాడ్ ని.
Wow, I didn't get
I
one kill.
killed.
I had one
Awesome.
road kill and I missed it. I'm dead, you know. Adrit, do you even know I'm
Saket,
dead?
ekkadunnao?
ఫౌండేషన్.
Oh, Saimadhav, you got revived, ah.
I'm
Yeah.
dead. I'm dead. I died. I actually.
I know you are such a noob, that's why you would die.
I didn't have any health. One person was shot, like he had a shotgun and he was shooting me in the face. I had no idea. Lucky you got a shotgun.
Okay, let's leave this place.
I'm dead. Carry my grave with me if you want.
Arey, Vedant, do you have any ammo?
Yeah, I have AR ammo.
Then give me. I'm
Go
coming.
go to my grave. There you'll find it. Where I died. I even have an AK-47 if you want. These guys are so
Hey,
lucky.
there's an enemy right here. Oh, I got a kill. I got a kill.
As if the person is shooting
Buddy,
you.
please shoot me.
He's right behind you.
Saimadhav, can you come for help?
Mister.
Yeah, I'm going to kill that guy.
Are you killing him?
Yeah.
I'm looking at Saimadhav
Oh.
right now. I'm spectating Saimadhav.
He's killing me
This
first.
this behind you. This behind you. This person right here.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
behind me.
Make sure
I
you have
found
a
him.
use an SMG in your hand. Shoot. Good. Well done. What did you
I
have?
don't have any ammo. How is this possible? I have no ammo.
Yeah, because you don't have any idea how to collect ammo.
And my backpack is like full khali.
Did your cousin just take my AK which I left, which I like was there in my remains?
Your AK is like having 2 bullets.
It had that wasn't the AK, that was a UMP for your kind info. And you know why I died? Because I had a shotgun with 0 bullets, which I thought it had bullets. You know,
Oh.
that is one of the reason why I died.
Hey, who took my P90?
Take the shotgun. Take the shotgun. Saimadhav, take the shotgun instead of the MP5.
My con. My con.
Somebody shot me.
And Saimadhav was about to kill him.
There are many enemies in this place.
Everyone, kill everyone. One
It's an
person
awesome
just
place.
went through the door.
Full of many enemies.
What many enemies?
Mother,
Hey?
ఇందాక నా ప్లేస్ అయినా బెటర్ మదర్.
I don't have any ammo only to kill
Adrit,
them.
in front of you.
Killed him.
Man,
I killed him.
He died and you had no idea. Such a mad person.
4x.
I don't have. Are you taking ammo? No. Does he have ammo? Please, I want
Nope.
ammo. He has
He
ammo.
wasn't.
But guys, please wait, finish this match quick. I wanna play. I'm just spectating everyone.
I want any ammo is okay. I left my P90 because I didn't have any SMG ammo.
I can give you SMG ammo. I'm
Hey,
using my
I had-
bonfire.
But you also need SMG ammo, right?
అరే ముందు ఇవ్వచ్చు కదరా నా దగ్గర ఫుల్ ఉండే.
I had a summon
Even
airdrop.
I am using bonfire. I'm using bonfire.
What did bonfire do?
That gives you health and DP.
Why couldn't you have done it when I was about to die? I had so
Because
less.
you were not there.
I went to save Sai Madhav because he was too far. I
What?
wanted to give him a
I'm
lift.
using summon drop.
Okay, use it.
And make sure it drops on Adrit's
Use it
head.
here, not there.
See my car. See my car.
Here.
That's
Yeah,
my car.
here.
That black car. In which
And
I,
from the last 10 minutes, there are still those many people on.
guys.
I hate this.
No, no. Get out of there quick. Okay. Someone shot. Someone is shooting.
Enemy.
Kill him. మనల్ని తట్టు అక్కడే బే డ్రాప్ పడుతుంది.
Sai Madhav. What did you find in that?
Silencer.
Did Sai Madhav just find
See,
a
I
gilly
don't want
bush?
this gilly bush.
Why did you use it? It's
I hate-
garbage.
And now I found so much of SMG ammo. I want my
Behind you, behind
P90
you,
back.
behind you, Sai Madhav's cousin. ASD. Yes. Sai Madhav, stop killing everyone's kills.
I got 6 kills.
Same.
I have 0 kills.
I have 1 kill.
No one lets me get a kill. Guys, finish this match quick. I'm getting bored looking at you guys. Especially Sai
I
Madhav.
always have, but this always happens with me. You people
We are in the middle.
Because you die always like a noob. This time I died like a noob. I don't know why. You know why is Sai Madhav lagging this much? Sai Madhav, why are you lagging this much?
No, I'm not lagging at all.
Yeah, in my video, like you're stopping every
I
minute
found
while
one more
jumping.
banda.
What did you
Where?
say? Yeah,
Appa headshot with her.
he's in Adrit's skin.
I killed him.
You knocked him.
Where is?
Just a little down. Yeah, he
Near
killed him.
me.
He killed him. He got him dead. He's dead.
I'm at the top. Okay,
One more.
one more.
Get him killed.
Help me.
Use the
Where are you
MP5.
right to help?
Use the MP5. Use the MP5. Where
I'm
is
not
he?
even able to find that guy.
No, there was a person
That's
right here.
I found him.
It was
Yes,
a default
found him.
female skin. What did you get in that?
अरे इधर गैस फुल है यार हम.
P90 is good, not bad. Guys, get a booyah. I can level up, please. If you guys get a booyah, I might level up. Guys, you can do it. You can do it. Are you only taking all
Yeah,
the
of
kills?
course we can.
No, one
One
more.
more in me.
Why is it? Why is she running?
Star enemy.
अरे who took all the? I mean who took all these things रे?
ASD, behind you. There is one guy I saw. There's one person behind you.
It is.
Adrit, there is the same person. There's one person in the place.
I have 8 kills.
I have 0 kills.
Seven.
I'm the most unfortunate person.
I
Adrit,
have 1.
at least 1 is better than 0. Huh?
Yes, I'll break this.
Some of you die in the zone. There is one person. Hey, why do you have this much hatred on this car, Sai Madhav?
Don't know, I hate sports cars.
I came to rescue you in that only, like, just like a, what do you call it, Uber.
अरे सामान है उससे क्या करना?
Uber Gold.
Near the safe zone, don't worry.
You'll be half in the safe zone, half because you're at the border of it.
Madhav, నీకు ఎన్ని kills?
8 and speak in English.
Yeah,
He's
because
recording this game.
yeah.
Oh.
Are you recording? There's one person.
I stopped recording.
Adrit,
Where is that guy?
Adrit is day. Yeah, you're in. Keep saying like that only. Yes, you can do it, Sam. Yes, good one, Sai Madhav. Adrit, there's one person. Sai Madhav, there's one person behind you at the entrance. Go near Adrit, you'll find him, and steal his kill. See, Adrit is busy killing.
Adrit, can you kill him?
Oh shit, I'm dying in the zone. This zone is too fast.
Yeah.
And Adrit is actually running the opposite direction. Adrit is running the opposite direction. Adrit, why were you so dumb? A person with the same skin of yours is gonna kill you, Was gonna kill you. Run into the zone.
Killing people in the safe zone.
There's one person right at the left, at your left, at your left. At your left, Adrit. Adrit, at your left. Stop daydreaming. I mean, evening dreaming. Stop dreaming in the evening without sleeping. That's what I meant. Wow. Aiming at a killing dead person.
Oh, you killed him. I was about to.
Who's gonna...
Okay, no problem.
Kalahari, the safe zone was.
I got 10.
At the border of the safe zone, there's one person.
I am 9.
Your cousin has
I'm
10.
going for 11 kills. 11 kills.
Yeah.
Leave him for me.
He should know. Kill him, kill him, kill him. He's right there. He's right there. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Ah, you stole my kill this time.
Hey, did he even die? Mine lagged. My mobile
We
lagged.
can win this.
There are so many people at the zone. Just shoot everyone. Make sure you have full health. And then advance. Advance only at full health.
One more banda.
One more there are only 2 people left. One is behind. One is behind.
Yeah, 12 kills.
One person. One. Booyah.
12 kills.
Yeah, 12
One me
kills.
also.
Oh yeah. 12 kills.
Well
I
done.
also 12
Yes.
12 kills.
4 kills.
I'm the worst person. 0 kills.
Guys.
Baya.
Bye. What happened? Please. Please tell me I level up. I level up. What did I get in this level up? What did I get? Shotgun skin. Okay, let's start. Who isn't ready? Can I play Clash Squad? Who isn't ready? Start, guys.
Start the match. Start the match. Start the match.
One person isn't ready. Not all players are ready.
Arey, what happened to ASD? He went off offline.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Saimada, will you play?
Just I'm calling him. Just wait a sec.
Devi is not replying. His cousin went off.
Saimada isn't replying. Dialing. Call. Come on, not all. Saimada, why aren't you ready?
He is playing good.
ASD went
दम
offline.
में यारों को यार.
Guys, sorry about that. But please, I need this thing because I can't. What happened to Saimada? Is he lagging or no?
Just call him once.
He's not answering.
Then remove him. He told us he won't play. Bye guys, he told us.
Are you sure? Okay. Saimada, I'm sorry. I regret this decision. Goodbye. I think he is online. I don't know what happened. Just skipped him
He
out.
went off.
But he's online. Wait. Just wait for 2 minutes.
He told bye guys. Maybe it's collecting his rewards.
Guys, I will get you in.
Okay, you start class.